find area and circumference of a circle using C. So all of we know that if this is the circle, sorry, control, draw C. Okay, suppose this is a circle having this is the center of the circle and this is the say radius of the circle. Okay, then its area of the circle is equal to pi r square, where pi is constant, it is equal to 22/7 or 3.14. Okay, so area is nothing but the region occupied by this circle. Okay, what is the region occupied by this circle can be calculated by using the formula pi r square, where the circumference of this circle can be calculated. Circumference is calculated by using the formula a 2 pi r. Again, pi is constant 3.14. Now, circumference is also called perimeter of the circle. It is also called perimeter of the circle and the circle, and it is measurement of the boundary of the circle. That is, if we open the circle and make a straight line, that is, suppose this is the given circle, sorry, this is a given circle. If we cut this circle and if we make its this circle as a straight line, okay, then its length, then the length of this line is called the circumference or perimeter. So the region occupied by circle is called area, and if we cut this circle from this point and if we make it as a straight line, okay, then the length of this line is called perimeter and or circumference of the circle. Now we are going to find area and circumference of a circle using C program. So here first, again, area for radius is real number. First we want to include stdio.h, include white man. Then we want to define a variable, say float radius. For radius we use r, for area we use the variable area, and for circumference we use circum. Okay, now next we want to enter printf, enter the radius, enter the radius of the circle, enter the radius of the circle, say go here, then scanf %f and r. Next, area is equal to pi r square, so 3.14 into r, okay, and circumference, first we want to print this area, printf, say using new line, area of circle equal to percent f, okay, area. And next we want to calculate the circumference. We calculate the circumference and we store the value in the variable circum. Circum is equal to 2 into pi, say 3.14 into r. So say r. So printf circumference of circle equal to, okay, equal to percent f circum. Next, want to display this calculation. So again, if we compile, then we will get here 0 error. If we run, again one mistake, want to insert here new line, want to print the circumference in new line. So alt r, enter the radius of the circle, say 2, then we get the area of the circle is 12.56 and circumference of the circle is also what, 12.56. Next, if we run one more times, say here, if we enter here one more new line, if we run, okay, clear screen is left, okay, so 3. So want to clear the screen by using the keyword cr clear screen. Now, so now if we enter the radius of the circle, say 3, then area of the circle is 28.26 and circumference or perimeter of the circle is 18.84. Thank you.